So question number 8. Alright, so this question is asking us, what is the algebraic expression of the quotient of a number and 8? So when we're given this statement, if we're given this statement, the quotient of a number and 8, what does this mean? So looking at the explanation, the quotient is the term used to call the answer to division. Hence the phrase, the quotient of a number and 8, means that we are dividing by the number 8. Therefore, if we let x as the number, then we can express the quotient of a number as 8 as x divided by 8. So that's kind of, quick explanation. Okay, this is what this means, just x divided by 8, or some number divided by 8. But I'll go through this with you with this format over here. So when we look at dividing anything, we kind of use this division bracket. So we put the divisor, so let's say it's 8 in this situation, it could be anything, and then we put the dividend down here. So if we said 24 divided by 8, we would have this. That's what we're trying to solve here. And then we know that this is 3, just doing mental math, but essentially, just to label these for you. So this over here is the divisor. This is the quotient. And this is the dividend. So that's kind of when you hear the quotient of a number and 8, you can think of, okay, the quotient, we're trying to find the answer to some number divided by 8. That's kind of how to think about it, why this statement is used. So we could say the quotient of a number, any number, and 10, and that would be x divided by 10 in this situation, if the number was x. So this is kind of the example that they're giving here. There's not really much to this other than, having this memorized, so whenever you see this, you're able to identify what this means. But yeah, so we'll mark this as correct. Great job. Correct answer. So yeah, let me think if I want to add anything else. I think that's it for this question. So we'll mark this as correct and we'll move on to the next question.